Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Hey, I saw this thing, this doctor on here. You put both your hands on the side of my neck like this, and you just slowly go like this, and a tiny jerk like that. And it's gonna crack my neck, it'll help my back from work and everything.
You sure?
Yeah.
You trust me to do this?
Yeah.
Okay. So just turn your neck and crack your neck.
Mm-hmm.
Honey. Babe, that's not even funny. Honey. This is not funny. Isaiah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. William. Honey.
What?
Isaiah, wake up.